Hola, it's Gabby here for Crusty Gabby, and today we're going to make a Halloween card. In the title, say that this is a Halloween card with a twist because I'm going to make this Halloween card in pink. I know some people find it odd, but I think it's picking up to make things not in the traditional colors. Like I think a lot of people doing Christmas cards in pink and blue and purple. Um, Last year I was just commenting my husband that I want to do Christmas this year in a totally different color, no more the traditional red, green. If that I decide to do the same thing with the Halloween card. I'm using an old stamp set from Simon Says Stamps, but us crafter, I think we have ton of different haunted houses, ton of different die cuts from ghosts, vampires, and I think you can manage to do this card with a different kits. You don't have to have a specific kit to do this card. As you see, I'm cutting in different pinks and blues, and I'm going to make a heel to place the haunted house. It don't look that haunted in that blue, but in the final card, I think it's going to look a little bit haunted. The heel I cut it in a paper from my favorite scenes. It's called Primitive White. It's a very nice paper. You sometimes feel that your card is a little bit with boo-boos, like um, write outs or stuff like that, but it's not. It's just because it's natural, have like a little bit of fiber going here and there. It's a very pretty nice paper. I love it. After I glue the heel, I'm going to glue my house, and I'm going to add a lot of ghost. Of course, the tombs. Um, Two of the ghosts I colored them in pink, and these little holes have like the eyes and the mouth are a hole that I have to glue a black cardstock paper in the back to make them look black. Um, After I glue the ghost, I'm going to glue the tombs, and I'm going to add a ghost in one of the tombs, in the top of one of the tombs. After I finish this part, I saw the car for my taste a little bit plain. Then I was not planning to use the trees that I cut because I already cut the heel in beige, but I cut the trees from the heel that they come, and I used it. This one was an afterthought. It's for that you see me fiddling with the tombs and everything, trying to glue the trees the best way that I can. Because the glue that I use, when it glues, it glues. You don't have like time to rip it when it's very bonding. Uh, I don't know if all the glues were like that. I'm going to try the Nuvo glue in my next video to see if I can have a mistake, or after thinking I can manage to place the stuff. And I got different side of vampires. The and I just place them everywhere. At the beginning of the video, you see me with a punch scissors. I don't know how you call that tool. I punched several holes in three different colors. That was pink, blue, and gray, and I just glued them all around. That was an easy way to do an embellishment. And I want the card to go accordingly with all the colors. I didn't want to add more extra colors. Maybe next Halloween card I'm going to do it in um, light orange and light greens, more like Easter Easter Halloween, Easter colors. I mean, I do two pumpkins, one in pink and one in white with the futures in pink, and I add a little bit of green in the top. Um, just a little because I was feeling that with the pink, the top of the pumpkin was getting like a little bit muddy, but it looked good. And the pumpkins look a little bit big for the whole car, but I didn't care. It's just whimsical Halloween. After that, I glued this car to another um, paper in black to do the frame, and then I'm going to do the car base in white. And this car is A2 car. It's um, 4 and 3/4, 5.5. And I didn't do anything inside. Like I say, I almost never do anything inside because in the moment that I grab the car, I want to ride whatever I want inside. I don't want to have something specific. To add a little bit of spoon to the car, I will add glitter with Mod Podge. I think it's called a string glitter. And after that, when it dries, I will add the glossy accent. Also, in the paper dots that I cut, I'm going to add Nubo drops, and they're going to build a dome in the dot, and they're going to look like those embellishments that we buy that are tiny. That's about it. Thank you for watching my videos. Until next time, goodbye.